Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna dye my hair violet, this one from Directions, and I already bleached my roots yesterday, as you can see. So now I just have to put the dye in the bowl and then we can go. Alright, I'm all done. Now I just have to let it sit for like an hour or two. As long as you do it longer than 30 minutes, you should be fine. And yeah, then I can rinse it out. It is now the next day and this is how my hair turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. There are like a few pink spots here and there, but it doesn't really bother me. And if it annoys me, I can just buy more hair dye and cover them up. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you like how it turned out as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!